Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Janine of TBOQ Crochet, and today's video I will go over why I closed my Etsy shop. Yes, that's right, I closed my Etsy shop. I also opened a mailbox and I have a few other things that I want to discuss. So let's get started with the Etsy shop. So I started selling on Etsy in 2020. I first started with jewelry. Um, and so um, my jewelry sold, it sold pretty good. But then, it started to like dwindle down, whatever. I went to a few markets with my jewelry, and hey, that was that. So then I started back crocheting, and I just switched everything over to crocheting and crocheting on handbags. So I been selling my handbags for the last, I think, year. It's going on 2 years. And so um, I've experienced all the fees, the listing fees, the fees to market, um, just all types of fees. But the marketing fees, I feel like if if you're doing the listing fees and you have like, a bunch of listings, like 30, 40 listings, and you paying for all those listing fees, why not take a little bit of those listing fees and put it towards the marketing? But that's not how, the platform is set up. So by the time you actually make a few dollars off of your listings, you have to actually put it back and pay for, the marketing or for other listings that need to be renewed. So it seems like you're not really making money at all. But um, unless you're selling like a digital, maybe patterns and stuff like that people will purchase, then you might see a little bit more of your money because you don't have any shipping fees and stuff like that to pay for. So I decided to close the Etsy shop. I do have a new website um, in which I will be selling my items. I will list that website down in the description box. Um, and I also have a mailbox now, so I will also list that down in the description box. So that is why I closed my Etsy shop, and moving forward with my new website, um, and everything is um, live as of right now. So you can go and check that out. I want to share with you guys that I am a self-published author. So I will list my books down in the description as well. You can go and check that out. I'll list my author's page, the link, down in the description box, and you can go and check that out. That's on Amazon. Also, in the next few months going into the new year, I have about 5 bags I will be displaying, or the design, excuse me, the design I will be sharing with you guys. Excuse me. So over the next few months, what we have: November, October, the rest of this month, October, Okay, as I was saying, we have October, the rest of October, November and December. So I have 5 bag designs. So over the rest of this year, going into next year, I will be dropping at least a bag a month. That's how I will do it. Um, a different bag a month. This way, it will allow me to continue to um, put out what I need to put out for my business, but I can also, have a little fun my own self with some personal projects that I would like to complete for myself. And I'll come to you guys with that when I get ready to work on that. So so I have discussed um, the closing of the Etsy shop, my mailbox, also the new website. And the new website and the mailbox will be down in the description box. I went over the bags and the designs that I have. I will show you guys that as I drop whatever bag for each month. So I think that is basically it to get you guys caught up to where I am. That's basically I think all I had. I have to write down some notes. If not, I'm gonna forget it. So I think I have covered everything. Yeah, guys. That is it. Now, I did work on some other stuff, but I'll come later with. I don't want to, you know, put too much information into this video. So with that being said, if you like what you're seeing in this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I'm still on the road to 50 subscribers, so let's get that subscriber count up. I thank you to all my subscribers and how you guys, whoever comment on my videos. But that is it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.